And we have one more problem to solve. As you can see the statement of the problem on the screen, and it says two mirrors form a dihedral angle. This is angle between two planes is usually called a dihedral angle, and that is alpha, and that is also less than pi. So basically it will be less than pi by 2 also. But pi has a special symbolic meaning here, so you don't need to worry about. So we have two mirrors forming a dihedral angle alpha. A ray of light lying in a plane perpendicular to the edge of the dihedral angle, that's right, falls on one of the mirrors at an angle beta to the normal. So angle of incidence of one of the rays falling on one of the mirrors is equal to beta. Determine the angle of deviation, that means incident angle between incident ray and finally reflected ray after two reflections, because obviously problem is obvious. It has to first strike one mirror and then it will get reflected from the second mirror, and we have to find the angle of deviation of the incident ray. That means both the rays, the incident and reflected rays, will be treated like vectors, and we have to find angle between two vectors formed by one is incident ray and another is finally reflected ray. So the problem is determine the angle of deviation theta of this ray from the original direction after reflection from both the mirrors. So this is the problem to solve, and I have made a diagram to solve the picture, and diagram will make everything clear, I guess. And so let's start solving this problem. And yes, we are going to. So here is the diagram. Basically we have two mirrors like this one and this one, and the dihedral, that means the angle between their planes, is alpha, as you can see here at the screen, and this is the incident ray EB. That means let the ray EB be incident at an angle beta to the normal, and normal is OB, you can see here, and this is the angle beta. So this is going to be angle beta as well, and so this will be pi by 2 minus beta, and this angle is going to be pi by 2 minus beta plus alpha. What is this? We already know, if we consider this triangle ACB, sum of the angles, let us call this angle as gamma. Then we all know that alpha plus pi by 2 minus beta plus gamma is equal to pi. The sum of three angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. So we need to find gamma, and gamma will be pi by 2 plus beta minus alpha. So this angle, the angle of incidence on the second mirror, which normally is OC, you can see here OC. To find out this angle, we need to simply find out pi by 2 minus gamma, and it will be simply alpha minus beta, as you can see here. You can simply subtract gamma from pi by 2 and you will get alpha minus beta. That means the angle of incidence here is basically alpha minus beta. And you can do one more thing. You can find this angle, this CFB angle, this angle, because you have these two angles. These two angles are, of course, from the law of reflection, these two angles will be equal. And if this angle is gamma, this angle is also going to be gamma. That means 2 gamma plus 2 beta plus angle CFB is equal to pi 180 degree. And you can find the value of and gamma here. Gamma can be written as this angle is basically not gamma. I was making a mistake. If this angle is gamma, this angle is pi by 2 minus gamma. These two angles are pi by 2 minus gamma, and that is this angle is not gamma. I made a mistake here. So these two angles are pi by 2 minus gamma each. Pi by 2 minus gamma is alpha minus beta. So this angle is alpha minus beta. That means you should write here twice of alpha minus twice of alpha minus beta, and plus 2 beta is equal to angle CFB. And you can find from here angle CFB is simply pi minus 2 alpha. And so you can find the angle between this finally reflected ray and this incident ray. And if you consider them both as vectors, one is EV vector and another is CD vector, the angle between them is this. And if this angle is pi minus 2 alpha, this angle will be simply 2 alpha. So the required angle of deviation of this ray from the original direction after reflection from both the mirrors, you will get the answer equal to 2 alpha. And that is it. Thank you very much for watching.